Yeah.
Yeah.
Military. The mill, if you will.
Yeah. Well, let's do military. Then try
Alright.
to total.
Alright,
Bunkers.
Alright.
dropping.
I'm gonna go to the kill factory.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, there's so many guys.
Yep. Sure are. I'm gonna veer away from the kill factory.
I'm on the satellite tower. I don't give a fuck.
There's a lot of people over there. I count at least 1,000
Yeah.
minimum.
I feel like we'll be fine.
Okay, cut the shoot, please. Let's go. Jesus, I was just floating above the ground for like 10 seconds.
Hey, it's not my job to take or shoot.
Oh,
I see a vehicle. I'm going for it.
The Dacia.
No, a buggy.
okay, I have 2 guns. About to get wrecked.
Oh shit.
Don't die. Rom, don't die.
I can't
We need you.
not die.
We need you.
Don't worry, I'll save you with my buggy.
No, I'm down.
I
Is
need
he close? Oh, he's in the house?
Yep. He's punching me on the ground. Now he's running out of the room.
He knows.
He's running out back.
I'm gonna kill him.
Nope. Nice.
Hey, I'm gonna run
Thanks.
this guy over. Yeah, I just ran someone over.
Alright, let's get in the car. Let's
The
go.
best.
Wait, how did I get in here? Alright, we're good. Oh, he's coming from the car.
Just down someone.
Get out of
I'm
here.
down. Fuck.
Damn
I'm
it.
gonna get run over right now.
No, it's me to
Oh,
the rescue.
Zwick, Zwick, you saved the day. Holy shit.
This guy's trying
There's
to
a
run me
guy.
over.
There's a guy in the factory door. He's
Alright,
shooting.
calm
Run me
down.
over with my own car.
Let's get in the car and we'll get out of here. Alright? I'm like Sully. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Get in the car.
I got on the back of this guy's buggy.
We gotta get Scotty B.
I'll remember you.
Scotty, no.
Wait, who's driving?
Some random guy on a different team.
You just left Scotty B there.
He was. I couldn't res him because he had a car, and he was like, I can't punch him when he's in the car.
All right,
Where are you going?
Avenge me.
sorry, Scotty. We're gonna get this guy.
Don't let that bastard
Yeah.
get away.
I have no bullets in my gun.
This is hilarious.
It's all right. I'm ready to kill this guy.
This
So
is literally funny.
Oh shit! Wait, no, I can reload.
boost the shit. Boost this Dacia. Can you shoot? You can just shoot him.
I don't have a gun.
No, Nick, you can shoot him in the car.
I tried. It didn't really work.
Yeah, man.
Pop the tire.
Are you kidding me? You just ran me over. What the fuck?
This guy's a pro.
Alright.
Oh.
It's like James Bond.
How does that even happen?
It's like you're
Swick,
getting
help.
kidnapped. Oh my god, this is fun. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
Wait. Okay, drive right up behind it, and I'll jump off under the car.
Don't do it.
All right. Get ready.
Don't do it. You're gonna die.
No, Swick.
Gosh. Dude, you're like hostage, Rom.
No, he's out. Getting good in. We're gonna kill that guy.
hell? Get out, get out, get out! Kill him! Kill him!
Oh! Zwick, just run me over, dude.
Dude, you better get out and punch him.
I'm out of gas.
Get in the car.
What is going on? Holy shit.
That's right. Don't mess with us.
Oh shit. Do you have a
What
gun?
do you do from here? You can't
No.
really top that.
You're looting him. Nobody had anything.
God, you have ammo.
Holy shit.
Oh, that's funny. Oh man.
Alright, it's all up to you. Chicken dinner.
Yeah, you can do it, Zwick.
How far away am I?